Straight Talk now supports eSIM, which eliminates the need for a physical SIM card. This technology embeds a reprogrammable chip in your device that can be activated over the air. To convert, contact Straight Talk customer service through their app, website, or by calling 1-877 430 2355. You'll need to provide your device's IMEI, which you can find in Settings under About Phone. Also, provide your current SIM details and account PIN. Straight Talk will deactivate your physical SIM and activate the eSIM with the same number. This ports your existing phone number, data plan, and account details without any interruption to service. Ensure your device is eSIM compatible. Most modern smartphones like iPhone XS and newer and Samsung Galaxy S21 and newer support it. Check your device settings for eSIM capability. Make sure you have an active Straight Talk plan with no outstanding balance and a stable internet connection. The activation typically takes 15 to 60 minutes, followed by a device restart. If you encounter issues with eSIM conversion, ensure your device is unlocked and on Verizon's network. Back up your data before starting, as a factory reset might be needed in rare cases. Security checks during transfer include IMEI verification and account authentication to prevent fraud. Expect increasing user demand for eSIM due to its convenience and reduced plastic waste. Straight Talk plans to integrate AI-driven customer support for faster conversions via their app. The future includes hybrid SIM support and expanded compatibility with IoT devices. While challenges like regulatory hurdles exist, eSIM is projected to dominate prepaid markets, with Straight Talk potentially offering eSIM-only plans by 2027. Experts praise eSIM for enhancing user flexibility, but highlight the need for more automation in Straight Talk's process. Remember to check Straight Talk's community forums for user experiences and tips.